Palm oil production begins where oil palm fruit grows.
Machines now harvest oil palm fruit with precision.
Each oil palm fruit is captured immediately.
Palm oil efficiency starts at harvest. Automation protects palm oil yield. Freshness is preserved from the field.
Palm oil harvesting becomes continuous flow.
Oil palm fruit now leaves the farm.
Oil palm fruit travels fast to protect palm oil quality.
Scale defines modern palm oil logistics.
Every load of oil palm fruit is measured.
Palm oil processing begins with data.
Oil palm fruit enters controlled production space.
Movement inside the factory is choreographed.
Timing controls palm oil efficiency. Integrity checks protect palm oil quality.
Oil palm fruit reaches the processing threshold. Palm oil processing is about to begin. Oil palm fruit transitions from transport to processing. Palm oil production officially begins. Controlled flow protects palm oil yield. Oil palm fruit moves deeper inside. Volume defines modern palm oil plants. Preparation begins before extraction.
Conditioning matters in palm oil quality.
Heat prepares oil palm fruit for oil release. Steam loosens oil palm fruit structure. Palm oil recovery depends on timing. Oil palm fruitlets are freed. Separation increases palm oil efficiency. Clean fruit yields cleaner oil. Water prepares palm oil purity. Human judgment supports machines. Balanced input protects extraction. Palm oil extraction approaches. Pressure unlocks palm oil. Oil palm fruit gives up its yield.
Nothing from oil palm fruit is wasted. Early cleaning improves palm oil quality. Gravity refines palm oil further. Time and heat work together. Palm oil begins to purify. Impurities are systematically removed. Palm oil moves to precision separation. Refinement accelerates. Centrifugal force sharpens palm oil purity. Oil palm fruit becomes refined palm oil. Moisture is driven out carefully. Dry palm oil lasts longer. Clarity defines finished palm oil. Palm oil stabilizes before finishing. Control preserves quality. Uniformity is continuously maintained.
The oil meets visual standards.
Palm oil is ready for final handling. Palm oil enters automated control. Every pathway is calculated. Automation maintains balance.
Systems operate as one.
Palm oil flows evenly into every bottle. Accuracy defines modern palm oil filling.
Uniform bottles prepare to receive palm oil. Filled bottles move forward without interruption.
Automation regulates scale. Consistency is verified by human eyes. Palm oil bottles reach final containment. Precision locks freshness inside. Every seal is silently confirmed. Traceability follows every bottle.
Identity is applied with accuracy.
Consistency is measured precisely.
Human judgment finalizes details.
Order prepares for dispatch.
Palm oil enters its final verification stage.
Verification stands between factory and market.
Samples are drawn from the flow.
Visual purity is carefully observed. Chemical balance defines quality.
Stability is tested under pressure.
Seals are proven under force.
Human senses confirm machine data.
Data authorizes release. Verified products move forward.
Palm oil clears its final test.
Palm oil bottles prepare for distribution. Protection begins at the box. Organization scales with production. Stability secures every shipment. Storage completes the internal journey. The product awaits departure. Logistics move the factory beyond its walls.
Human oversight completes the cycle.
Every stage connects as one system.
And this is how modern factories produce palm oil from start to finish.